Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down something that sounds super fancy but is actually pretty simple once you get it. Smart contracts. How do they actually work? Let's find out. So, smart contracts are basically computer programs that live on a blockchain. Think of them as digital vending machines. You put in something, usually cryptocurrency, and if you follow the rules programmed in, the machine spits out what you want. No humans needed, no middlemen, just code executing automatically. For example, imagine you want to buy a concert ticket. Instead of dealing with the ticket seller, you send money to a smart contract. The contract checks if the money is correct, if tickets are still available, and then it sends you the ticket. Simple, right? But here's the cool part. The contract's rules are immutable, meaning once it's deployed on the blockchain, nobody can change them. So you don't have to worry about someone messing with the code after the fact. The contracts run on something like Ethereum, which is basically a huge global computer made up of thousands of nodes. Every node runs the contract code to verify it behaves the same way everywhere. This is why transactions with smart contracts can take a little longer and cost gas fees. It's like paying the network for the computing power. Now, smart contracts can do way more than just simple buys and sells. They power DeFi protocols, NFTs, DAOs, and even games. Anywhere you need trustless automatic rules, smart contracts are there. But beware. If there's a bug in the code, it can't be changed. That's why auditing and careful programming are super important. A single mistake can cost millions, like we've sadly seen in some high-profile hacks. So, in a nutshell, smart contracts are self-executing agreements written in code that run on a blockchain, ensuring transparency and trust without middlemen. They're the backbone of much of what makes blockchain tech exciting. If you want me to break down how to write a smart contract or explain gas fees next, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this cleared things up or if you have any questions.